Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and your workspace prepared. We'll walk through each step, from combining the sugar and water to adding the peanuts and achieving that perfect crunchy texture. This easy method will help you create a delightful, homemade treat that everyone will love, with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of raw, unsalted peanuts. For the candy base, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and have 0.5 cup of water on hand. A small pinch of salt can enhance the flavor, so don't forget that important detail. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar and 0.5 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it boils and begins to thicken into a syrup. Once it reaches this stage, add your 2 cups of peanuts and stir continuously until the sugar crystallizes and coats them evenly. The final step is cooling and enjoying your delicious creation. Quickly pour the hot peanut mixture onto a greased baking sheet or parchment paper. Using a greased spatula, spread it into a thin, even layer before it sets. Let the candy cool completely until it's firm and brittle. Then, simply break it into pieces and savor your homemade peanut candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.